Good day everyone, welcome back to English Hero. Right now in this video we're going to have another topic, and that's going to be sentence. We all know that a sentence is a word or group of words that expresses a complete thought, meaning, or an idea. A sentence has two main parts, and we have those parts. We have the subject and the predicate. Now, a subject is a noun, could be a noun or a pronoun, who is the doer or the object in the sentence. If we're going to talk about the movie, a subject could be like the main character. Okay? But with predicate, it is a verb or a phrase that modifies the subject in the sentence. For us to understand better, let's have an example here. We have Rona is a staff of Daredemo Hero. Okay? Rona is a staff of Daredemo Hero. Now let's try to identify the parts of the sentence. What is our subject here? Anyone? It's Rona. Very good. Now, subject usually can be found at the beginning of the sentence. That's how we can easily figure out the subject, where the subject is in the sentence. So Rona is our subject. And where do you think is our predicate? Okay, we have is a staff of Daredemo Hero. Good job. Now, question. Since predicate is a verb, by the way, what is our verb in this sentence? Anyone? Is. Good job. So this is our verb. Specifically, this is what we call linking verb because it links the subject and the phrase, a staff of Daredemo Hero. So is here in this sentence can be considered predicate? Yes or no? Yes, it is. Because a predicate could be a verb. Alright? But if we're talking about the complete predicate, this is the whole thing. Is a staff of Daredemo Hero. This is what we call complete predicate. Okay, is a staff of Daredemo Hero. Alright? So that is all about parts of a sentence. We have the subject and the predicate. Now, what if we do have two nouns or pronouns in the sentence? For example, let me write it down here. Rona and Ivy are staff of Daredemo Hero. So as you notice, we have two subjects, Rona and Ivy. Will this be what we call a subject? Yes, it is. We call it specifically compound subject. Why? Because we have two subjects, apparently. So Rona and Ivy. So we combine it with and. By the way, for compound subject, it is usually used with coordinating conjunctions. So talking about coordinating conjunctions, we have, fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So and is one of the coordinating conjunctions, so we use and here to combine two nouns, two subjects. So what we call compound subjects. And what is our predicate? Still, our staff of Daredemo Hero, or just the R will do. Okay? It's staff, by the way, it's not staffs. There's no S for staff because this is a collective noun. Okay? Alright, so for predicate, if there's what we call compound subject, we also have compound predicate. Okay? So for example, let's try to have this example here. Rona is a staff of Daredemo Hero, and works 8 hours a day. So as you notice, for predicate, compound predicate, there are two verbs. So we have is and works. Okay? So two verbs, two actions happened or done by a one subject. Now question, can we have a sentence that has a compound, like two subjects and then two predicates? Yes, of course. So long as you use coordinating conjunctions, okay? Again, for coordinating conjunctions, we have fanboys. This is for us to easily memorize. So we have for and nor, but, or, yet, and so. Okay? But commonly for compound subjects and compound predicate, we use and or. Yes. And or. In combining two subjects and combining two predicates. Okay? That's all for today in this video. I hope you've learned something, new, or somehow this refreshed your knowledge about a sentence. In my next video, we're going to have the kinds of sentence according to use or function. Okay? Sounds familiar? Okay, so we're gonna further discuss about sentence in my next video. That's all for today. See you guys and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.